Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC45. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC45 is only lasting 5 minutes or less, you're likely dealing with a battery issue. Dyson vacuums can lose their ability to hold a charge over time, especially if they've been used frequently. If left unaddressed, this could lead to more significant problems, such as complete failure to power on, leaving you in need of a replacement sooner than expected. To replace the battery, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for your Dyson DC45. To start the repair, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Lay it on a flat surface with the base facing upwards. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off and set it aside. You should now see the battery compartment. The battery is usually secured with 2 screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them carefully. Once the screws are out, you can disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the device. Take your replacement battery and connect it securely to the same connector. Make sure it fits snugly. After that, reinsert the screws to secure the battery in place, being careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the casing. Before replacing the cover, double-check that no wires are pinched and everything is in order. Once you're satisfied, position the cover back on and screw it into place with the Phillips screwdriver. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from arising in the future, ensure that you're not leaving the vacuum on the charger for extended periods when it's fully charged. Regularly cleaning the battery contacts can also extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.